Alright, welcome back. It's Thursday afternoon. We're going to have a go at cutting this last field of barley up at Farm 3. Fingers crossed we don't get any showers this afternoon. We've had a dry morning. We had showers yesterday, as you saw. So yeah, I've got set up a little time-lapse camera here on my GoPro. And we'll see how it goes. We've got sheep in the field. Sheep alert. Black and white ones. They're like, oh, where do you come from? I didn't expect to see them around here. I think they must have come through the hedge from the neighbours, look. Just don't run the header and we'll be alright. Right, we're done. That is our winter barley done. We're not going to go to Jeremy's this evening because it's 16% moisture on the grain, and he's got no way of drying it, so it needs to be dry. And I've got another job to do this evening anyway, so it's not like I'll be sat around doing nothing. I'll show you what it is in a minute. Right. How much battery we got? 43%. That's good. I do like this camera. I used the GoPro for a bit this afternoon, and it was just terrible. It reminded me of why I got this DJI action camera, and it's a DJI Osmo Action, and it's bloody brilliant compared to a GoPro. I switched that GoPro on to do that time lapse earlier, and every 10 minutes the battery would die, and then it would freeze, and then it would say repairing file, and it was just crap. If anybody's thinking about doing this, don't buy a GoPro. Mind you, the new ones might be better now. They're on generation 9 now, aren't they? And that one I was using was a generation 7, so the new ones might be better, but I'm not sure if I would risk it. You'd be better off with one of these Osmo Actions. The battery will last, well, I think you could probably use it all day and it would last all day. But if I use it on and off throughout the days, it'll last all week. Anyway, so it also steers a bit violent in this tractor. I'm in the 6150R, and as you can see, I'm rolling. I've got the Dalbo 12-metre rolls on the back. So these fields are, well, this field is the first field that I combined, actually, the winter barley. Now Simon has started started drilling the overwinter cover crops today. He was supposed to start yesterday, but there was an issue with the new seeder unit, what they put on the cultivator, so that delayed him by a day. Yeah, Simon's been out here putting the cover crops in. I'll have to have a look at the picture on my phone to tell you what it is he's put in the ground, and there's no point in me getting out to have a look to see if we can find a seed, because we won't be able to find them, they're so small. So we've got stubble turnips, we've got forage rape and tillage radish going in here, and then it will get electric fenced in the winter and the sheep will eat it, and hopefully it's another way of dealing with blackgrass, I guess, and it should do the soil some good, having the sheep muck on the field. Yeah, so yeah, just another thing to try, isn't it? Everyone else seems to be doing it. And then we will drill, this will be spring crop, we'll drill it with a spring seed. It's still in discussion what's going to go in here at the moment. It'll either be spring oats or spring beans. Simon's not keen on the spring beans because they're not worth anything. Well, they're worth something. They're worth a lot if you can get them to go for what's it called? For food, human consumption. But if they just go for livestock feed, they're not really worth much. But the thing I like about the beans is that they're so good at cleaning up the blackgrass. The herbicides that you can use just go and wipe out the blackgrass. But yeah, so this is my job for Thursday evening. Simon is he's just started the third field ahead of me now, so I'll be here a little while. Where's the time? 10 to 7. It did start spitting with rain a minute ago, so I'm glad I didn't go down to Jeremy's and start combining, because the moisture would have just gone up, it wouldn't have come down. We've got to go up some steep hills in a minute, I'm not sure, I think we should have probably put the front weight on. So yeah, and then tomorrow my plan is, I'm hoping to go and pick up the parts for that Teagle topper and put that back together. That's my plan anyway, if the parts are in. Right, so I'm done for tonight. I think I've done about 30 hectares this evening. So not a bad evening's work. I'm going home now, as it is nearly 10 o'clock. So tomorrow I'm hoping to get the parts for the topper. If I get the parts, I will show you a bit of me putting them back together. If not, this could be the end of this video. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Weather forecast is looking a bit naff. At the weekend I'm hoping to go down and, if the weather's okay at the weekend, I'm hoping to go down and cut Jeremy's barley, get that job done, and that'll be all the barley done then. So we shall see. Right, I'll catch you in a bit. Alright, I just parked her up in the shed there. Look how big that cultivator is compared to this tractor and rollers. That's a big old cultivator. The 8.3 looking good. Right, it's Friday afternoon. I've got the parts. There's an echo in here. I didn't notice until I started talking. That's what the parts look like when they come out, or when they fell out. Absolutely knackered. I've already put this one back together. And this is what they look like on the inside, look. And they're all new and shiny. So now I've got a circlip on there holding that bearing on. And now we've got to slot it into that hub and then put this circlip on to hold it into the hub. We'll put you there, look, so you can watch. All there. Right, it's in. Just push that seal in. Right, now the tricky bit. Probably have my glasses on for doing this. Yeah, I think I might put my glasses on. I think I got it. Finally. If you're wondering why I'm not combining, it's because it's been raining today. But I'm hoping that tomorrow will be better. They are forecasting showers tomorrow afternoon. But it'd be nice to go and get Jeremy's barley done tomorrow afternoon. It's only 21 hectares, I think.